Alright, fit people, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. This is day number 4 of our 30 days transformation of the month of January. Today's workout, we're going to work the biceps, triceps and shoulders. The way we are going to do this workout, we will be doing 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest, 15 rounds, and the total duration of this workout will be 11 minutes. All right, this workout can be done by men, women, girls, boys who want to stay fit at home without needing equipment. For this workout, we will need 2 bottles. All right, and let's start our workout. Let's go. Big circles with the arms. Let's change direction of rotation. All right, beautiful. Let's go to wrist mobility for 15 seconds and then we jump right into our workout. Okay, take your bottles. Let's start with shoulders, lateral raise, and then we go to front raise. This one works the shoulders, rear delts and lateral delts. All right, now we are going to bicep curls. So each time we curl, we are also rotating. Here the palms are facing the thighs, and here we have rotated them 90 degrees. Stand upright tall, look forward. And don't move the hands, just let the elbows stay close to the rib cage. Beautiful. Next one, we bend forward, all right, and then we do triceps kickback. Here we also curl. It's curling and triceps kickback. All right, let's go. If you have also small dumbbells of maximum of 5 kg, you can use them and do as much as you can. Heavier dumbbells, you wouldn't be able maybe to do it for 30 seconds unless you're a high level athlete, but it's not impossible, of course. Okay, we're going again to shoulders. One arm front raise, the other lateral raise. Once we are here, we switch. Okay, this is good for the coordination of the body. Stand tall, separate the feet shoulder width apart for better stability. I promise you, even if it's lightweight, you will for sure feel that you did something. All right, we're going to hammer curls. The thumbs are facing forward and they should always be facing forward, except here that they are facing the shoulders. All right, elbows should stay close to the rib cage. Avoid swinging momentum like this. Just control a little, control the movement, the descent, and also the ascent. Beautiful. Now we are going to bend like this. Okay, we will be doing triceps kick back and then kick, kick. We bring them, triceps kick back, kick, kick. When you're doing the kick, you're squeezing the glute, and make sure you're also finding the balance for the leg that is still on the ground. Wonderful. Next exercise, we are going again to shoulders, but we bend the elbow joint. We have 90 degrees, and then we keep the 90 degree. Let's do this for 15 seconds. All right, and then we stay up. Okay, now we hold it. Now we just rotate like this until our timer ends. Beautiful. We are going again to biceps. Now we do like this. We rotate and then we curl. We stay here halfway. Rotate, curl. All right. Inner rotation, external rotation. All right. You will feel that this one is also working the forearms, pronation and supination. Supinators and the pronators. All right, triceps again. Now we go overhead arm extension. We start from this position. We fully extend our arms. All right, make sure your feet are at least shoulder width apart for better stability. And fully extend the elbow. Beautiful. We still have 3 minutes. We're going again to shoulders. Now we do like this, external rotation. We come back, we do 90 degrees lateral raises. Notice the elbow joint stays at 90 degrees. Beautiful. Wonderful, guys. It's feeling good. The joints are, the muscles are already feeling it. So now we go full range. Halfway we go back, we go down, full range, halfway. All right, and notice I'm rotating the buttocks when I'm doing the full range. Full range, halfway stop, go back. Okay, beautiful. Yes. Now we go on triceps kick back. Okay. This one arm is curling, the other arm is doing biceps kick back. We will switch afterward. Make sure you're really contracting hard. The arm that is forward is fully contracted. 5 seconds. Okay, now this one will be the one contracted. This one is going to be doing the triceps kickback. All right, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Contract, fully contract the biceps, and also make sure you're always extending the elbow joint to the maximum. This is a good way. We are working antagonistic muscles. It's also good for coordination and also mind-muscle connection. Beautiful. Final one, we're going to shoulders. 90 degrees. We raise. Okay. Let's go. We're just hinging around the shoulders. We keep the 90 degrees bent in the elbow. Bend in the elbow. Feet shoulder width apart for better stability. Beautiful. Thank you guys for being here on day number 4 for our 30 days transformation. This is a stepping stone to a fitter 2020. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me, and as always, invite 1 or 2 friends. See you on day number 5. Yes guys, high five.